Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company that provides technical solutions across the world. So today we will be taking topic fixed assets management basics part, in which we will be learning about asset list. So in NetSuite, an asset list is a feature that within the fixed assets management module, we use to manage, track and maintain company's fixed assets. So first of all, meaning of the asset list is a register or ledger of a company's fixed assets, including items like machinery, vehicles, furniture, and office equipments. So this list helps organizations maintain accurate records for financial reporting and internal assets management. Then comes our features. So first is comprehensive tracking. It means like recording asset details, date, value, and location. Next is depreciation schedules. So it automatically calculates and applies depreciation based on predefined schedules, which is straight line method or declining balance depreciation. Then comes our asset categorization. So it allows classifications of assets by type, location, and other custom fields. Next is audit trail. So it tracks changes to assets, data for transparency and compliance. Then comes our integration with financials. So it syncs with general ledger accounts to ensure accurate financial reporting. Then comes our asset disposal and revaluation. So it manages asset disposal, transfers, and revaluation as per needed. Then comes our benefits. So first of all, it provides us accurate financial reporting. It is efficiently manages depreciation. It also improves asset utilization in organization. Also, it provides detailed records and history, ensuring easy compliance with audit requirements. Then it also controls cost by tracking asset maintenance and life cycle. So companies can control cost and avoid unnecessary expenditures. Then comes our asset list, which are account receivables, machinery, prepaid expenses, intangible assets, land, securities, short-term investments. So, properties of an asset is first is ownership, like assets represent ownership that can be eventually turned into cash and cash equipments. Then comes our economic value. So, assets have economic value and can be exchanged or sold. Lastly, resource. So assets are resources that can be used to generate future economic benefits. So next comes our classification of asset. So assets are generally classified in three subheads, which are convertibility, physical existence, and usage. So in convertibility, it means like how can we easily exchange it in cash. Physical existence, classifying assets based on their physical existence, in other words like tangible or intangible asset. Then usage, classifying assets based on their business organization, usage and purpose. So which we have discussed like types of asset classification. So in convertibility we are getting current assets and fixed assets. So in current assets there are cash, cash equivalents, short term deposits, account receivables, inventory, and more are there in current assets. Fixed assets include land, building, machinery, equipment, patents, trademarks. Then, if we come to our physical existence, first is tangible asset. So, in tangible asset, it involves land, building, machinery, equipment, cash, office supplies, inventory, marketable securities. In intangible assets, goodwill is included, patents are there, brand is there, copyrights, trademarks, trade screens, licenses and permits, and corporate intellectual property is there. Then under usage, first is operating assets. So it involves cash, account receivables, inventory, building, machinery, equipment, patents, and copyrights. And goodwill also is there in operating assets. Then non-operating assets, it involves short-term investments, marketable securities, vacant land, and interest income from a fixed deposit. So these are types of asset. So if you want to navigate through fixed assets management for listing our assets, we have to go to this three dots. Under three dots, we will be getting fixed assets. Under fixed assets, we will be getting assets option. Under assets option, we will be getting list option. And in that list option, we can create a new asset type. So let's suppose we can understand it with an example. So we are purchasing a vehicle for around 5 lakh rupees, okay, which is used to be used in operation business operations. We will be writing here. So how will it be appearing in asset list? So first is our asset name, which is a delivery vehicle, okay. Then acquisition cost, like acquisition is the purchase cost. We have purchased it for 5 lakh rupees. Then comes our depreciation method. So what depreciation method we will be using in our organization? It may be straight line or declining, whatever we want to. So we are preferring straight line method as of now. Then we also have to mention the useful life of that particular delivery vehicle. So let's suppose we are taking it as 5 years. And if we want to calculate depreciation monthly basis, so asset useful life is 5 years, okay, and monthly depreciation on the acquisition cost and based on straight line method, depreciation method. So 5 lakh is the amount divided by 5 years equals to 1 lakh. So this is for 5 years, and if we are calculating for monthly basis, so we will be dividing it by 60, or 1 second, we will be dividing it by 60 because we are calculating it for 5 years, and on monthly basis we will be getting 60. So if we calculate it for 60, we will be getting the amount of 8,333 rupees. Then location, we have to provide our location where we have purchased it for. So let's suppose we will be writing. So this is how we can list an asset in NetSuite applications. So the case study which we have discussed, so this asset will now appear in the NetSuite asset list, then depreciating monthly, and the depreciation expense will be automatically integrate into financial reports. We don't have to interfere in that automatic thing. Then to summarize, the asset list feature in NetSuite's fixed assets management module is an invaluable tool for tracking and managing assets efficiently. So by automating depreciation calculations, enhancing financial accuracy, and providing clear audit trails, this tool helps business make informed assets management decisions and ensures compliance with financial regulations. So thank you for watching. I hope the session provided valuable insights into the asset list functionally within NetSuite. So if you have any question or would like further details, feel free to reach out us. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials to continue mastering NetSuite. See you in the next video.